How to get the most out of your pay-per-click campaign. utratttkio.com/2022/04/how-to-pay-for-home-remodeling.html How to pay for home remodeling? If you directly need money quickly for repairs to your home, then you might be curious about how you can pay for remodeling. The good news is that there are several ways to get the money you need. Credit cards can be a great option because they offer introductory interest-free periods of up to 12 months or longer. Although credit cards offer the most affordable way to finance a small-scale home remodel projects, make sure you can pay the interest on the remaining balance. A personal loan is another option to fund emergency repairs. Many personal loan lenders can provide same-day financing, even though traditional loans typically take up to weeks. Remodeling your home. You might wonder how you can pay when you remodel your house. You are not alone. Many homeowners find themselves in financial trouble and wonder how they can pay for their home remodel. These are some helpful tips. Budget for costs, but not too much. You can avoid getting into debt by sticking to a budget that allows you to fully pay for the renovation. 1/4 You might consider credit cards. For smaller renovations, credit cards can offer higher interest rates than other options. However, if the renovation project is large, you may want to consider a home equity loan. Major projects like additions, pool, driveways, siding, or other major renovations are ideal for these loans. A loan can be obtained with low interest rates and repaid in a matter of years. You will have to repay the loan by the due date. How to remodel your house? You will need to determine how you are going to finance a renovation of your home. Although home remodeling can be a complex process, it is still possible to make financial investments. It's the lifeblood of the entire process, whether it's as a down payment, a final payment, or any unexpected expenses. Some ways to pay for your renovation project include liquid assets, home equity, and sweat equity. One simple way to pay for a remodeling project is to refinance your mortgage. You can increase your cost by as much as 20% if you are planning on doing the work yourself. For financing the renovation, you may also be able to apply for a loan. This is a popular option for homeowners who can receive 0% interest over a 1-year period using their credit card. However, you may not be able to find a credit card with this 0% interest rate for remodeling. Where to begin when you remodel a house? If you have ever considered remodeling your home, you might be wondering how to get started. You have many options. While some are relatively simple, others can be difficult and should only be left to professionals. There are steps that you must take before starting. First, decide which rooms you'd like to renovate. Is it for beauty, safety, accessibility, or both? Knowing how much you can afford to remodel your home is an important part of budget planning. While you don't have to remodel the entire house at once, you should have a good amount of money set aside to cover the project. Keep to your budget. Remember that the costs will differ from what was originally planned. You can avoid spending too much by creating a detailed list that includes everything you need in the remodeling. 2/4 Important links. How much does home remodeling cost? You will need to determine how much your remodel costs before you make a decision to renovate your home. You'll have to choose what you want, regardless of whether you're renovating a bathroom or a kitchen. Websites like HomeAdvisor can help you get a rough estimate. You may also be able to compare the prices. Be sure to include any unexpected expenses. These expenses can run from hundreds to thousands. Some renovations are high-end, while others are more modest. You might need to spend a lot of money to get the best appliances and HVAC. Those projects require a great deal of time and materials. The type of renovation you choose and materials used will depend on your budget and the extent of your remodeling project. Keep in mind, however, that even the most basic renovation can be costly. Then, you can choose whether to add on a new roof or make some structural changes. Dallas, Texas home remodeling. In the process of remodeling your home, you must determine how to pay for the work. Although home renovations in Texas are expensive, they have many benefits. Renovating your home can increase the value of your house and improve your quality of life. These are tips that will help you budget and finance your next home improvement project. It is important to ask contractors about their pricing before hiring them. Ask them if they are charging per job or an hourly. How long does the project take to complete? Next, meet with a contractor to help you create your Dallas dream home. A professional contractor will ask you several questions and will want to visit your home to see what you'd like. The contractor will discuss your costs and make suggestions to fit your budget. You may have to negotiate on the cost of certain materials, but you can still get the contractor to make some changes to the home. 3/4 4/4.